This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Spark plugs replacement. While you are waiting for the engine to cool, check the new plugs for defects and adjust the gaps if necessary. The gap is checked by inserting the proper thickness gauge between the electrodes at the tip of the plug. Spark plug manufacturers recommend using a wire-type gauge when checking the gap. The gauge should just slide between the electrodes with a slight amount of drag. If the gap is incorrect, use the adjuster on the gauge body to bend the curved side electrodes slightly until the proper gap is obtained. If the side electrode is not exactly over the center electrode, bend it with the adjuster until it is. Also check for cracks in the porcelain insulator. If any are found, the plug should not be used. Pull the hood release lever near the driver's side kick panel. Slide the safety latch and raise the hood upward. Negative battery disconnection. Disconnect the cable from the negative terminal of the battery. Remove the engine covers that prohibit access to the plugs. Working at the front of the engine, disconnect the ignition coil electrical connectors. Using the correct size Allen wrench, remove the coil mounting bolts, then remove the ignition coils. If compressed air is available, use it to blow any dirt or foreign matter away from the spark plug holes. The idea here is to eliminate the possibility of debris falling into the cylinder as the spark plug is removed. Place a spark plug socket and an extension over the plug and remove it from the engine by turning it in a counterclockwise direction. Repeat this for the remaining plugs. Apply an anti-seize compound to the threads of the new plug to facilitate future removal. Thread the new plugs into the holes. It's a good idea to slip a short length of rubber hose over the end of the plug to use as a tool to thread it into place, particularly if the cylinder head is made of aluminum. The hose will grip the plug well enough to turn it, but will start to slip if the plug begins to cross-thread in the hole. This will prevent damaged threads and the accompanying repair costs. Tighten the spark plugs to the specified torque setting. Install the ignition coils onto the spark plugs. Tighten the ignition coil mounting bolts securely. Connect the coil electrical connectors. The spark plugs at the rear of the engine are replaced in the same way and should also be replaced along with the front plugs. Install the engine covers and secure them with the necessary fasteners. Connect the cable to the negative terminal of the battery and tighten the cable nut securely.